When most people imagine growing their own food, they picture a never-ending cycle of hard work, planting seeds, tending seedlings, and replanting every single season. It's a routine that demands constant attention, time, and resources year after year. For many, this is just the way gardening is done, and it can feel exhausting, especially when life gets busy or unpredictable. But what if there was a smarter, more sustainable approach? Enter perennial crops, a game changer for anyone serious about long-term food security and self-reliance. Perennial plants are unique because you don't have to start from scratch every spring. Once established, they return year after year, often with even greater yields, saving you both effort and money. In times of crisis or disaster that stretch on for months or even years, annual gardens may fail. But those who have invested in perennials will still have reliable food. These crops keep producing, even when you can't get to the store or buy new seeds. Perennials form the backbone of true food security. They're resilient, self-sustaining, and don't depend on store-bought seeds or chemical fertilizers. Once planted, they create a living pantry right outside your door. These crops are chosen for their ability to survive tough conditions, tolerate neglect, and provide dense nutrition. Many perennials thrive in a wide range of climates, from Zone 3 to Zone 7, and require far less maintenance than annuals. If you're looking to build a food system that can truly stand the test of time, one that keeps producing no matter what, you're in exactly the right place. Let's dive in and discover the top 10 perennial survival crops you can plant once and enjoy for decades to come. If I could pick just one perennial plant for true survival gardening, it would have to be the American groundnut, also known as Apios americana. This remarkable native vine has been a staple food for indigenous peoples for centuries, and for good reason. The American groundnut produces clusters of tubers that are not only calorie-dense, but also packed with protein, something rare among root crops. These tubers grow in long chains underground, and once established, the plant comes back year after year, producing more food without the need for replanting. It's a true set-it-and-forget-it crop. What makes it even more valuable is its ability to fix nitrogen in the soil, thanks to its relationship with beneficial bacteria. This means it actually improves your soil's fertility over time, enriching the earth for other plants as well. That's a rare trait for any food crop, especially one that's so productive. Plant American groundnut once in a sunny spot with a sturdy trellis or fence to climb, and it will thrive for decades. Each year, the vines become more vigorous and the harvest gets bigger, making it a long-term investment in food security. One of the best features is that the tubers store themselves right in the ground all winter long. You can dig them up as needed, even in the coldest months, so there's no need for root cellars or special storage solutions. Perfect for off-grid living or emergency situations. Adapted to a wide range of North American climates, American groundnut shrugs off cold snaps, drought, and most pests. It's a tough, resilient plant that keeps producing even when other crops fail. If you're looking for a crop that will feed you through the toughest times, while actually leaving your soil richer and healthier, American groundnut is truly unbeatable. It's a cornerstone of any resilient, regenerative garden. Now let's take a look at another perennial that's so vigorous. It practically walks itself right into your garden beds, expanding your food supply with almost no effort. Meet Egyptian walking onions, the perennial onion that's almost impossible to kill. These unique onions are a true marvel for gardeners, thriving year after year with minimal care. Unlike traditional onions that need to be replanted each season, Egyptian walking onions come back stronger every spring, making them a reliable staple in any garden. They reproduce in a fascinating way, forming clusters of mini bulbs, called bulbils, at the top of each stalk. As the season progresses, the stalks become heavy and bend down, allowing the bulbils to touch the soil and root themselves. This process lets the onions walk across your garden, gradually spreading and creating new plants without any help from you. It's nature's way of ensuring a continuous harvest. Both the underground bulbs and the tender green shoots are edible, offering a dual harvest. You can enjoy the crisp, mildly spicy greens in salads, soups, or as a garnish, while the bulbs add a rich onion flavor to any dish. This means you get fresh, homegrown onions throughout the entire growing season, straight from your backyard. Cold hardy down to zone 3, Egyptian walking onions can survive even the harshest winters. They shrug off frost and snow, re-emerging in spring with renewed vigor. These onions thrive on neglect, requiring little more than occasional watering and weeding, making them perfect for busy or beginner gardeners. You can harvest as much as you need whenever you need it, without ever killing the plant. Simply snip off some greens or dig up a few bulbs, and the plant will continue to grow and multiply, providing a nearly endless supply of onions year after year. Their robust flavor and immune-boosting compounds make a huge difference in survival meals or everyday cooking. Whether you're preparing a hearty stew, a fresh salad, or a quick stir-fry, these onions add both nutrition and taste, supporting your health and enhancing your meals. If you want a crop that propagates itself, requires little maintenance, and keeps your meals interesting all year long, Egyptian walking onions are a must-have addition to your garden. Their resilience, productivity, and unique growing habit make them a favorite among gardeners everywhere. Forget delicate annuals. Good King Henry is a perennial green that keeps producing for 5 to 10 years. It doesn't bolt in the heat, so you get a long harvest window. Packed with vitamins A, C, iron, and calcium, it's crucial nutrition when other crops fail. It adapts to poor soils, shade, and neglect, perfect for survival. Eat the young shoots like asparagus or the leaves like spinach. Nearly invisible to pests and diseases, it's a reliable source of greens. For long-term nutrition, Good King Henry should be on your shortlist. Imagine never replanting kale for a decade. Perennial kale or tree collards makes it possible. It produces vitamin-rich leaves year-round, even through winter in milder climates. Just take a cutting, stick it in the ground, and it grows. No seeds needed. It's a rare source of year-round greens, critical for survival. Tree collards are resilient to pests and drought. Just mulch around the base. The more you harvest, the bushier and more productive they get. For a permanent supply of nutrient-dense greens, perennial kale is essential. Let's move to a small plant with a big impact. Chives might be small, but they're survival garden powerhouses. As a perennial, they're among the first to pop up in spring, offering fresh flavor and nutrition. Their oniony bite and immune-boosting compounds liven up bland meals. Chives attract pollinators, boosting your whole garden's productivity. They tolerate neglect, poor soils, and drought. Just divide and replant for more. You'll never need to buy seeds again. Chives also help repel pests, acting as a natural protector. Don't overlook chives. They're a tiny plant with huge survival value. Rhubarb is more than a pie ingredient. It's a perennial that can feed you for decades with almost no care. Plant it once, and it rewards you with huge, vitamin-rich stalks every spring. Incredibly cold hardy, it shrugs off pests and neglect. The leaves make excellent mulch, suppressing weeds and enriching soil. Rhubarb's early harvest provides vital nutrients, especially vitamin C, when nothing else is ready. With minimal care, a single plant can feed you for 20 years. If you want a crop that outlasts almost anything, rhubarb's your answer. Asparagus is one of the first fresh foods after winter, sometimes popping up through the snow. Plant crowns once, and you'll harvest tender spears for 20 years or more. It's low maintenance, just mulch yearly, and maybe add compost. Deep roots make it drought-tolerant and able to survive neglect. Packed with vitamins and minerals, asparagus is a nutritional lifesaver after months of stored food. For a spring food insurance policy, asparagus is a must in your survival garden. For real, stick to your ribs calories. Jerusalem artichoke or sunchoke is your perennial answer. This sunflower relative produces potato-like tubers that store safely underground all winter. Plant once and they'll naturalize, creating a permanent patch that feeds you year after year. The tubers are loaded with inulin, Great for gut health and stay fresh in the ground. No storage worries. Just dig up what you need whenever you need it, and the patch keeps producing. If you want a perennial potato, Jerusalem artichokes are non-negotiable. Sea kale is a perennial, few know, but it's one of the most versatile and resilient crops you can grow. Native to European coasts, it shrugs off poor soil, salt, drought, and neglect. Almost every part is edible: shoots, leaves, flowers, and seeds. Multiple harvests from a single plant all season long. It's beautiful, attracts pollinators, and is nearly immune to pests. Thrives in poor, sandy soils, perfect for marginal land. For a tough, productive, maintenance-free perennial, sea kale is a no-brainer. The Siberian pea shrub is more than a crop, it's survival infrastructure. This hardy, nitrogen-fixing shrub produces edible seeds, improves soil, and feeds livestock. Thriving in zones 2 through 7, it handles cold and drought with ease. The seeds are high in protein and double as animal feed. It forms a dense hedge for windbreaks, privacy, or natural fencing. For a regenerative, self-sustaining food system, Siberian pea shrub is the ultimate survival hedge. 10 crops. Plant them once and they feed you for decades. No annual replanting, no seed dependency, just permanent food infrastructure. Perennials take time to establish, so don't wait until disaster strikes. The time to plant is now, while you still have options. Every year you wait is a year lost from your food security. What perennial crop are you planting first? Drop a comment below. Hit subscribe for more on building systems that last. Let's make sure you're always one step ahead.